Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to show you how to ditch your factory halogen taillights on your JL Wrangler. Now these smoked LED taillights available for your 2018 to 2020 JL Wrangler feature a durable design plus a smoked finish. What I really like about them is their super durable and bright 8 LED reverse light design. Plus this bar around the edge is going to act as your running light, which gives it a more modern look on the back of your Jeep. Now if you have a halogen taillight, these are going to be a great choice for you, as they're going to give you the LED upgrade without having to pay the price of a factory taillight. If you have the LED from the factory, these are also going to be a cool upgrade for you because they are smoked and you can retain all of the features of an LED taillight option. Now with these, there's also a sidebar here where you can mount up your blind spot monitoring system. This kit comes with 2 brackets as well as a small harness that'll plug in and allow all of that to work if your Jeep came equipped with it. Now today I'm going to show you how to get them installed on our 2018 Mojito 2-door. It's going to be the exact same installation if you do have the blind spot monitoring, just with 1 extra plug to connect and an extra bracket on the side. But let's get started. On the driver's side, which is where we're going to start, there's going to be a small plastic panel on the inside of your Jeep. This is right above where your 12-volt outlet is, and you can notice it because it'll protrude out a little bit. So grab a small flathead screwdriver and go in the indent and just pull it right up, and that'll pop out for you. Now if you don't have a 10mm socket, you can actually use the included Torx kit with each Jeep, and you're going to use the smaller of the Torx bits to get this out. It'll turn to the left and you don't have to worry because there's no nut and bolt behind it. Just simply reach in there. So this is what the screw will look like here. It's a plastic spring-loaded screw that'll pop right out. Now with this out, we can remove the taillight and disconnect the harness. So here's just a quick side-by-side comparison. You can see we've got the factory halogen taillight on this side and then the brand new smoked. And I really like the look of the smoked here. It kind of tints it all out and makes it all look uniform. On the side, you see that you have the LEDs in there as well as a reflector. And then in here you have a reflector as well. If I didn't mention before, these are DOT approved for all 50 states, so you're not gonna have any issues getting pulled over with them. They're DOT and ready to go. But let's ditch this one and throw in this brand new smoked taillight. So now with that screw removed, simply pull on the taillight. And then all you have to do is disconnect this harness back here. Simply pull on this tab and then push right in there. So there are 2 harnesses on the back of the brand new taillight. This one is going to go into that factory plug we just removed. You'll hear a little click. And then this one here is for your blind spot monitoring. Since we don't have it in our Jeep, it was a base model, we can just simply tuck this up in and not have to worry about it. Now with this, we're just going to slide it back in the same way we pulled it out. There's some alignment pins on either side. Those will sit in there nice and tight. And then what we're going to do is go inside and reinstall that plastic screw and pop on the cap. And that's it for the install. We'll put them on both sides and test them out. So as you can see, guys, they're looking pretty good. We got that screw reinstalled and the cover plate, it's all buttoned up on the inside. Honestly, it takes you about 5 minutes to get one of these installed, and they look great just in the smoke tier. So this is what they'll look like without any lighting on. But I'm gonna hop in the Jeep and we're gonna show you what they look like with the running lights, the turn signal, and the reverse light. And then we'll give you a side-by-side comparison of these versus the factory halogen lights. So that'll give you a good comparison going from what you have to a possible new taillight for you. So let's go inside, I'll turn them on, check it out. So there's the running light, guys. You can see it's almost like it's pretty much like the one bar that goes all the way around. It's very modern looking, and then on both sides you do have a marker light on the top and a marker light on the bottom to keep you legal on that side. Now I'm gonna turn the turn signals on because truth be told, I haven't seen these on a Jeep yet, so let's turn those on and see what they look like. That definitely looks really cool, guys. It's almost like a sequential going out towards the outside of the vehicle. You can definitely tell when you're braking or when you're gonna be turning with those. Speaking of brakes, let's turn the turn signals off and we'll try the brakes and show you guys what those look like. And then we'll do the reverse lights, which feature 8 LED diodes, so they should be pretty bright. Let's do all that at once. We'll do the brakes, then we'll do the reverse. So let's see what the brakes look like. I won't be able to see them, but Justin, my camera guy, he'll be able to let me know how cool they are.
Very nice.
Look good? Now let's start it up and we'll throw it in reverse. Very bright. So it'll only take you about 10 minutes to get these installed on the back of your Jeep, and as you can see, it is a huge improvement over the stock halogen taillights, and I highly recommend you guys check these out. If you're not into the smoked option, we also offer a red lens option, which is gonna look a lot more like factory, but still give you all the benefits of these LEDs. Now with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this other side on in about 2 minutes, show you guys what they both look like in conjunction, and if you're interested in them, be sure to check out cjponyparts.com, and to follow along with our builds on the Mojito and all of our other great Jeeps, be sure to hit that subscribe button on your YouTube page, and until next time, see you guys out on the trail. Hope you enjoyed that video. To stay up to date on our CJ Off-Road videos, make sure to subscribe up top here, and for any other installs, make sure to click the link right above.